Well, I think winter might have arrived. Well, good morning, everyone. Yep, we've got ourselves a blizzard right now. I'm not sure if I should even be out here feeding cows, but we're gonna give it a shot. They're probably all hunkered down there right now. They all got access to shelter. So, this kind of shelter. So, worst comes to worst, they can sit until the storm passes. But I did open the silage pile up yesterday. So, we're gonna go and see what we can feed for cows and maybe move some pears around. I see some of the pears, the cows with the heifer calves, I see they're hiding just right over there. And now my windows are fogging up. So I'll probably bring them up closer to, I'll get them toward the other yard. And we're gonna have to do some shuffle after this storm passes. Everything's got a layer of ice this morning because, of course, it was a wet snow, and then now it's getting below the freezing mark. Whoop, a little bit dropped off. So yeah, it's really fun here this morning. Good thing the tractors are inside. I had to chop ice off that scale head, that's what I'm trying to say, to be able to turn it on. Catch you in a bit. Well, let's just see if things are froze up, how badly they're froze up. The PTO should work. Yeah, that's working. Yeah, that's working. Oh yeah, now that's working. Okay. Probably have to oil that up because sometimes that sticks. So let's go and gather up those few cows. We'll bring them around. I'll take them to some, because I don't think they're going to be grazing now. I think we're done for them, that part. Here they come. Thought I was going to have to go and call them, but we'll get them through the yard here and get them just over there. Maybe I should just feed them in here for today. No, I'll take him over there. He can still come back and forth for water. Well, looks like these cattle, I'll run over my gate. Cattle are right at the gate here. Right in there. So looks like we won't be feeding these too far. I guess it's a little more open here, so we'll maybe drag these out to over there, I guess, and they can still come up to the buildings for a drink. We're going to be moving these cows probably in the next day or so out to the bush out west, to the winter watering site, because there's nothing on that water site there right now, so better get that done. Well, we're out here on 28 for the other group, and I just see a few here, so I don't know what's going on here, but what I might do is I'll just feed these few here maybe, and we better go see where the rest are first. Catch you in a bit. Well, I'm not going to really make them go across the field there if I can help it. I think what I'll do, looks like it's just these 10 or a dozen or so. So I'll just drop a little silage here along the bluff, and then I'll head across country and find the rest. Well, there's the rest of them. Don't worry, I'm coming for you. Don't have to come out in the blizzard. Looks like they're even starving to death. No, they're not. Catch you in a bit. See, I told you I was coming. There. I'm satisfied for a while anyways. I can do a little bit of grazing maybe. Probably be licking snow today. They probably won't be using the water site too much. Looks like it's even, well no, it's still wind getting kicked up. Some pretty good snow drifts there out by the bale pile at that end. I should have showed you. Maybe I will before I go, but she's piling up. Must have had 4 or 5 inches of snow. It's hard to tell. But alright, time to head back to the yard. Well, of course, with this wet, sticky snow that was yesterday and stuck to the panel, so I managed to scrape that off as best I could. And it looks like the batteries are still charged up good because there's still water in the tanks and everything looks pretty good, so I guess we'll just go with it. Sun will shine eventually. Melt that off. You know, I was just thinking as I'm going across the field here, I was thinking about these news networks and whatnot that they have to report about this apocalyptic storm that we're having. And gotta have somebody out in the field in real time to see what's going on. I thought maybe we could do a little joke about that. Hey Colin, what's it like out there in the field right now? Okay, Colin, I think we got the picture. Well, we got this hay yard. Good thing we got this filled up in time. We use these bales that were off the stack mover when we winch them off. Help as a guide or a windbreak for snow, because as you can see, it piles up pretty good. Looks like a bit of snow there to push out of the way anyways. Well, it's after lunch, and I just happened to look over to the southeast, and here I see the bulls walking out in the middle of the field here. I thought they would have stayed in those tree rows, but we decided to go for a walk, so I think I'm going to open the gate here and let them come into the bush with these few pairs. Because I don't think they're all here, but 3, 5, 6. There's 8 or 9. I think I better let these in here and give them some protection. Catch you in a bit. There. Got them in with these, wherever those other cows are in the trees here. There's a banged up bale in the hay yard there. So I thought I'll grab that and give them something to eat. Just dump it there. It's kind of a banged up bale anyways. The net wrap is ready to come off, so I think I'll just stay away in case they start wrestling a little bit. So I'll go find the others. If they want to come, like they do. If not, I'll just leave them be. Let's go see where they are. There's 2 more bulls up there at the old dugout here. Looks like I gotta get them out of here anyways, because it looks like they're rearranging fences on me. Oh boy. There. I think everybody's accounted for here now. Just gotta figure out that the gate's open. I think we had counted 6 over there, 2 over there, and I believe that's what we should have is 8 bulls. Okay. Let's go see if we can find those other pairs so these bulls don't get mixed up with them. If not, oh well. Well, after about a half an hour of searching around, found those pairs. We ended up with the bulls. Oh well, we'll sort them when the weather settles. There, I almost forgot about these few pairs, so I dumped the bale in for them. I think everything's accounted for now. Yeah. Oh, fun, fun, fun. When you're in the sun or the snow. On that note, I think we're going to call it a video. I don't think I'll have time to, it's still pretty crazy. So I think we'll just leave everything sit as they may. They got adequate. We'll just go, it looks like we're in winter feed mode now. Not a major crisis. It's gonna happen sooner or later. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.